Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color background image in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first open your Adobe Express document. In this video I will show color background image. Now going to the add menu option. Now click. Then click for upload option. Now select from a image. Now find your image. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Then we show open from picture. This picture add color background. Now firstly this picture remove the background. Now click for remove background option. Now wait for some moment. Then we show remove from background image. Now select from a going to the background color option. Then choose color. Now click for a custom color option. Now choose color. That is. Now click for close. Now you can see add background color image in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.